Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, June 2nd, 2025. Happy new month. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about, having the right mindset going into a new month and how a new month can equal a fresh start and a clean slate, and how you can build your mailbox money empire starting right now. But before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, every new month is a new beginning, a new clean slate to go and start building your mailbox money empire, right? I mean, people just wait and wait and wait and wait and wait for the perfect time, and the perfect time never shows up because there's no such thing as a perfect time to start. The perfect time to start is right now. And it's always a good time to start at the beginning of the new month because, it's a new month, there's more motivation. It's a clean slate. It's a fresh start. It's been proven that the beginning of the months are the best time to start businesses because people just have a little bit more motivation. It's a little bit more exciting than starting a business, say, at the halfway through the month. So stop waiting for the perfect time to start building your empire. Start right now. There's no better time. If you feel like you're stuck in your job, or you want to quit your job and you want to have more time freedom, you want to be able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow, then now is the perfect time. This is your calling to get started, right? The perfect time does not exist. I got tired of waiting for the perfect time. After 10 years or so of jumping from program to program to program, waiting and looking for that perfect opportunity, I got tired of waiting because I finally realized that it's not going to come to me. You have to go and chase it. So that's when I decided to, cut it all out, focus on one program, really put in the work, and start getting results. And that's what happened. That's what happens when you start taking action every single day and you stay consistent. You will start getting results. Now, the results time vary for everybody. Some people might get results in their first week. Others might take 5 or 6 months. There's no way of giving you a definite answer of when you're going to start getting results. It's based on lots of different things. Where you are in your marketing journey now. Do you have any followers? Do you have social media platforms built up? Or are you just starting from scratch? Either way, it's fine. Either way, it's fine. There's nothing, the main point is to get started. You want to get started. Don't keep waiting. Because the perfect time is never going to come around. And it's just all time that's being wasted while you could be putting in effort every single day to build up something worthwhile in the long run. And by the way, I can't guarantee anybody will make any money when they join any of my programs simply because it's based on your work ethic. And most people's work ethics, they're just terrible. I don't know why. People want to, they fantasize about being able to quit their jobs. They think about not having to go to work on Monday morning. They think about, driving the fancy cars that they like. They think about living in the big mansions or whatever it is that they're, they think about that they want in their life. But when it comes to actually taking action to get there, they don't do it. And it's like they're just thinking about, like they have this entitlement that they should just be able to join a program and start making money right away. And that's just not how it works. That's just not how it works. You have to think long term. Wealthy people think long term. Poor mindset people think, they're going to get rich overnight, and that they should get rich overnight because they joined a program and spent $50 to start a new opportunity that could change their life, but they give up on themselves too quickly because they don't make $1,000 their first week. Or they don't make any money when they send out 200 postcards. Then they say, oh, the program doesn't work. I had somebody yesterday write me an email asking me if I was doing paid advertisement for a program that I'm in. My Instant Pay 200 program. I said, I don't do any paid advertising. And I said, why do you ask? And they said, well, I've been with it I've been in this opportunity for a little while. I've only made one sale. And I said, well, that's good. You made one sale. If you made one sale, you know that you can make 1,000 sales. And I asked the person what they're doing for marketing, and I was just right up front honest. I said, well, those are not very good marketing platforms. You have to, it's going to take a long time to get sales using these platforms that he mentioned. And I said, you want to start creating video content. Create videos and make sure you're doing mailings all the time. He basically ended up telling me it wasn't for him. I was like, whatever, dude. I was up front honest with him, and I just said, you know what? It's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. But I mean, my goodness, people, if you make one sale already, you know that you can make 100 sales and 1,000 sales and 10,000 sales. You have to be patient. This stuff doesn't come overnight. You see all these people on TV like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos and people that are super wealthy, but you never see their grind that they went through to get to where they are. Unless you go and research what their life was like before they made it, you're never going to see that portrayed on TV, right? Get some books out on these people and read and see what their lives were miserable. They went through hell in all different areas of their life when they were trying to build their businesses. And they persevered and they walked through it. And that's what you have to do. Some days suck. Some days I don't want to make content. Some days I don't even want to be around social media. Some days I don't even want to look at postcards. But I know that that's what I have to do. I know that if I want to build the empire that I'm building and keep it going so I can build generational wealth, I got to stay consistent. I just got to suck it up and deal with it and not be a little wimp. Like, oh, it doesn't work. It does work. Stop being lazy and do some work and put in the work. All these programs work. It's just that you don't work. People don't work. I'm at the soap shop right now. I'm going to go check on everything, make sure everything's going good. I'm going to the post office afterwards with another stack of letters that I'm mailing out. And then I'm going to do some stuff around our house. I mean, it doesn't get any better than having time freedom, aside from being healthy. You want to be healthy. If you're not healthy, it doesn't matter how rich you are. So you want to take care of your health, and then you want to focus on building your empire, okay? Focus on doing small income producing activities every single day. I don't care if it's a post on Facebook, if it's a Facebook reel that you make, if it's a YouTube short you make, if it's a YouTube video, if you're mailing out postcards, do something, do a income producing activity every single day, and over time, you will get results. And as you get results, you take some of the money that you make and you reinvest it back into your business and you scale it. All right? And that's exactly, I show everybody, that's what I do. I help folks build mailbox money empires. The people who are willing to put in the work. And the people who join me and follow what I do and take action every single day and stay consistent are the ones who get results. Right? It's just as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So anyway, I just wanted to come on here and talk about, it's a new month. This could be your month. You've been waiting this long to start something. Start now. We have 6 months of the year left, right? After this month. Start now and finish the year strong, right? Everybody deserves to have a better life. Stop settling for what you have and start living outside your comfort zone and taking action and building the life that you want. It's as simple as that. You have to put in the work if you want results. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions, reach out to me. You can find all of my my newsletter, my coaching services, and all the opportunities I'm a part of over at joinruss.com. Go and check it out. And again, reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. This is what I do. I love doing this. I love doing this. So just get fired up, stay consistent, and take action this month and get some results. All right? So anyway, I'm here for you guys. As long as I'm here on planet Earth, I'm going to show up every day, stay consistent, produce content, try to make motivational videos, and try to help everyone create the life that they want, you know. But you have to be willing to put in the work yourself and show up every day. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.